Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable eye protection mode on your SONY KD-43X TV. So, open the quick settings on your TV by pressing the wrench icon, then go to Picture Settings, and here you will find the light sensor mode. Switch it on and it will optimize the brightness of your TV according to the ambient light around it. And this is the only built-in feature for protecting your eyes. It will not filter blue colors of your TV screen. It will simply not make the screen too bright or not bright enough according to the ambient lights in your room. But you can also go further and enable go to color settings and enable color temperature, either expert 1 or expert 2, and after that you can also go to advanced color adjustment menu, go to advanced color temperature, and now find the B gain option, select it and just move this value to the left, which will reduce the blue colors overall on your TV screen and make the screen of your TV more filtered of the blue light. And so that's how you can enable eye protection mode on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.